Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the topic of pronouns. We will start from the beginning of this concept. What are pronouns? So, pronouns are those words which are used in place of noun to avoid repetition of words. These are also called as replacing nouns. We will take some examples for the same. First one will be Mona is a good singer. So when we will replace this noun with the pronoun, it will become she is a good singer. Second example will be Hari is an efficient teacher. So when we will replace this noun with the pronoun, it will become he is an efficient teacher. Okay. We are having 4 type of pronouns which can be used for different nouns. Take a look at these. First one will be we or us can be used for many. Second one will be they or them can also be used for many. Third one is when we have to replace the noun which depicts the girl, we will state that she or her on the place of can be used for one girl. And fourth one will be when we have to replace with the noun used for boy, it will become he or him. He or him can be used for one boy. We can have some examples for the same. First one example for the first category, we can write there we are playing in the park. They are playing in the park. Third category, she is playing with her friends. Fourth category will be he is playing with his friends. So students, I hope this concept is clear to you. If you have any queries, you can ask me anytime. Thanks a lot.